Hey guys, welcome back again my new video. I hope guys you are well. Today I am going to make a tutorial of Venom. I will show you the technique of painting. Please watch my video till the end. So let's get started. In this painting I have used blue and black background because it is the best combination for making background. For making background I am using light blue color and dark blue color, also some black color. I am using cotton and paintbrush to paint it. Always use soft hand to paint the cotton.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. What's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. Surrounded by the night, we live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon
Now I am using mid blue color to paint the face. After that I am using dark blue color to shade this face, and after that I am using black color to shade minor parts. I will paint eyes and teeth at the last. After that I am using white color to show the light on his face and little bit to shade. Always use soft hand to paint any character that you like.
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are
Now I'm going to use some white color to show the lights on his face. Always use little bit of white color and mix it on the painting.
lost our minds in the darkness of night. We lived every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right.
Now I'm using red color to paint its
The
tongue
world is
and
dead,
inner
but
part
we
of
stay.
mouth.
Don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead, but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are
I'm using dark red color and some black color to shade tongue, and take some white color also to show the light on his tongue.
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die.
To paint the eyes, I'm using white color to paint the first layer. I'm using white color for first layer. After that, I'm using little bit of light blue color to shade. Now I'm going to paint his teeth by using white color and shade it with red color to show the blood on his mouth. Always use little bit of red color and mix it on white color. Then you will get the flesh of his mouth.
We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are
Finally, I'm done today. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more future videos. And don't forget to share my video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.